Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the October Boxycharm, and I was very excited for this one. Kind of excited but not excited. Do you get that? And I'll get into that in just a minute. Excited but not excited. So we're going to open the box and we're going to take out the card, and yes, I'm still lisping. So yeah, just deal. I got to deal with it. Y'all got to deal with it. You gotta hear me lisp. It's done that ever since I had the tooth pulled out. I don't know. I don't know. Weird. Alright, so this month's this is it. The alter ego. This is the theme for this month. Oh Lord, help me. And here are the products we got. First one on the list is the Superhero Mascara, and this is a full size, and I'm not going to read you the whole thing, but this retails for $24, and it says it's supposed to lengthen, volume boosting, ultra conditioning, and elastic stretch technology with ultra black tint to make the thickest and most defined lashes ever. I've already tried this. I didn't like it. I don't know if I'm just one of the freaks in the world that did not like this mascara, but I had bought it, or maybe I got a bad one, I don't know, but I had ordered a set from QVC, which was like the foundation, the concealer, a brush, the mascara, and I think that was everything you got. I did not like this one, so this will go in a future giveaway. It's not going to go in the current giveaway, because this one is almost up, and I've already added a few more things that you don't know about, and I'm not going to show you because there's always going to be a surprise in the basket that you don't see. So I've added a couple little things that are extras. This one is going to get put up for my next giveaway because I'm already planning that one. All right, so next on the list is, this is one of the things I was kind of interested about. What is it? Durham Lace Appeal Compression Technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. It retails for $30, guys. Is that one mask is $30? A detoxifying charcoal peel paste. It's a paste. And lace compression mask. Offers spa-like extraction results and naturally blended peel paste in conjunction to the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep congestion and exfoliation experience. We may actually do that in a video. I don't know how exactly I'm going to do it, but we may do that as a video, guys. Tell me what you think below. So that is the mask, and you can kind of feel like the mask is here. You can feel something squishy, and then there's something to tube. You can feel something harder. Yeah, it's a squeezy tube. So yeah, we may do this one just as a video because I'm kind of intrigued by that. Next up, let's skip that one and go next to the Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick. So here's this one. I didn't own anything from Kat Von D until I got the Kat Von D Allure Beauty Box. And I think I give away the lippy that was in that because it was a very nude, brownie nude, and those just look terrible on me. This is Love Sick, so that is a pinky mauve. That actually might work for me. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick formula. Stays on all day. Highly pigmented, vegan, cruelty-free formula. Coats your lips one swipe. Infused with vitamin E, sunflower, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. This retails for $20. So this one item is the cost of your box, and everything else is just the gravy on top. So yeah, and I think I will actually like this shade, and we'll hold on to this one. I give the last one away. Oh yeah, that's got Shannon Road all over it. Those are my shades right there. I mean, I can show you two lipsticks right now that are almost the exact same shade. But yeah, pinky mauves, rosy mauves, berries, deep berries. Those are my shades. I just cannot do the nude, like really pale nude and like brownie nudes. They look terrible on me. Okay, the next thing is Pharmacy Beauty Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Hey, that will be good. I wonder if that's good for like your eye makeup. Let's read and see. This retails for $22. Cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. Powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing for your skin. So I'm thinking if you wear like really, you know, dark eyeliner, the lash glue, all that stuff, that should just melt it right off. Oh, it's got a little cap. Let's see. It looks like one of my ointments that I make homemade ointments. It smells very essential oil-ish. And, oh, it melts. It just melts when you touch it. Oh, I'm going to like that. Yeah, it reminds me a lot of the homemade ointments I make because that's what they do. They melt. It's a hard ointment, and then when you rub it, it starts to melt, and you can rub it wherever, chapped lips, cuticles, anywhere you need, cuts, bruises, anywhere you need like an ointment. So there's that one. And last is the palettes. And here's where I'm torn. I don't like the It Cosmetics mascara, and I knew we were getting that, and I knew I would be putting that in a giveaway. The pure eyeshadows I have not been like thrilled with, but this palette looked really, really pretty in the spoilers, and it is pure Midnight Masquerade. The packaging is gorgeous. It is a 10-piece face palette that will take you will take any look from natural to innocent to sultry to mysterious. Okay, limited edition, highly pigmented, buildable, blends effortlessly, shimmering face powders and buttery eyeshadows. Retails for $38. So here's my thing. I was excited about this if I got a shade that I liked, and this, and definitely this. But these two are kind of like, So, do I keep this one for myself and try it, or do I put it in a giveaway? And that's where I was kind of like torn. And it is sealed on both sides, but I want to open it and show it to you guys. And what to do with my scissors. Here we go. I finally located my scissors. Guys, it has been raining here all day. It finally started clearing up about 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're getting a lot of rain off another hurricane, the one that came up through Florida. I don't know what the name of that one was, but Florida got hit again. Here is the actual box. There we go, right there. So pretty. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm not decided yet what I'm going to do with it. So, look at how it's right there, how it's embossed. That is beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. It does have a teeny tiny mirror. And we have like a greeny gold, a purple. All these are shimmers, except for the brown is the only matte. I wish the gray would have been matte. That would have been kind of, it's a purple, a dark gray, kind of a teal blue, chocolate brown, and light gray. And you could probably use these for eyeshadows too. I don't know yet. I don't know yet what I'm going to do with that one. So I'm going to tuck it back in the box for now. So it may go in a giveaway. I may use it. I'm not decided yet. And I have a little update. I don't have it in here with me. It's still in there in the box. Ulta did send me a new Norvina palette, and it is in perfect condition, and that will be going in a future giveaway as well. I thought about putting it in this one, but like I said, I'm already kind of planning out my next giveaway. So yeah, the Norvina palette will go in my next giveaway along with this. So I'm already starting my next giveaway, kind of gathering things together. So if you're not already subscribed and you want to subscribe and get in on this giveaway and on the next giveaway, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that little bell, and that way you'll know when I'm uploading and you can enter the next the next giveaway, which will probably be pretty soon, because I know I want to do one for the holidays for sure. So, and I may throw in a teeny tiny one between now and the holidays. But you'll definitely get in on this one. And this baby has been just chunked full of more stuff. I mean, I've put in more brushes. I've put in lippies and eyeliners, and I've added more stuff. So that is it for the Boxycharm. Let me know if you guys have tried this or this, and let me know what you think. Is this one pigmented? Like, is it really good? Let me know. And this, let me know if you want to see this one in like a standalone video, because I'm intrigued. It has two lace masks in there. Yes, it has two. All right, even better. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next giveaway. Like I said, I'm already working on the next one. So, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.